In this video, we're going to look at the long division dance, which is a strategy to help us remember the steps in the place value long division strategy. So, looking at our division problem, of course, we're going to start with an estimate. So here we're dividing by 5. So we want to look at the multiples of 5 to help us estimate. So 5, 10, 15, I can keep going if I need to. And looking at my total, I think, it's kind of right in between them, isn't it? So either one would make a good estimate, but I think it's a little closer to 10. So I'm going to estimate with my total being 10 divided by 5, and that gives me 2. Now, because I made my number larger for my estimate, I know that this is an overestimate. Okay, so starting off dividing, I'm going to imagine this is a large number problem. So I'm going to ignore my decimal and pretend that this is thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So the first question I want to ask myself, and the first move in our long division dance, is how many in each? So I start with my largest place value column, and I ask myself, how many in each? So if I have 8, and I'm making 5 groups, I only have enough to put 1 in each group. Okay, then the next step in our dance is multiply. So 1 times 5 is 5. Then the next step in my dance is subtract. 3. And the next step in my dance is the most fun one, bring it on down. I'm going to bring down the next number, 3. Okay, and then the steps just repeat themselves. So again, how many in each? Now I have 33 into 5 groups. We'll go 6 times. And I multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. And I subtract. 33 take away 30 is 3. And then bring it on down. Bring down the next digit. So I have 30, and repeat the steps again. How many in each? 30 into 5 groups. I already know this will go 6 times. Then I multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. And I subtract. 30, take away 30 is 0. Then I bring it on down. Bring down that 5. Okay. Then repeat the steps again. How many in each? If I have 5 and I can put them in 5 groups, I have enough to put 1 in each group. Then I multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. I subtract. 5 take away 5 is 0. And that last step, bring it on down, but I don't have any numbers left to bring on down, so I know that I am finished. So I've divided my entire total. Now I just need to put the decimal in. I said my estimate was 2, but I knew that was an overestimate, so it makes sense for my decimal to go here. So if I ever get stuck on remembering the steps for my long division problem, I know that I can use the long division dance to help me.